Hey folks, this is Steve Sanson, president of Veterans of Politics International. And I don't know if you guys know, recently, Chief Judge Jerry Weiss from the Clark County District Court Division went down to the legislatures in Carson City and wanted 18 more new judges. And I believe 9 of them is supposed to be for family court. But guess what? In the 6 years ago, family court got 6 more judges. So I don't know what the problem is. But anyways, let me tell you what the problem is. The problem is this. On Fridays, hardly any Clark County District Court judges work. They don't work on Fridays. There is exactly 20 elected judges here in family court that's supposed to be here today on a Friday because they don't work Monday through Thursdays. They work Monday through Fridays. They're supposed to be here on a Friday. Either they worked half day and gone by 12, or they didn't come to work at all. Only two judges were on the bench today that I saw that's here today after 12 o'clock, after lunchtime. Only 2 judges. Those judges are Bill Henderson and Michelle Mercer. Every other judge is not here. So we got 18 judges that are not working a full-time schedule, but yet they want 18 more judges to fill the bench. They're not even here at work. Let me tell you something. If the legislature approves a judge, they have to pay for the JEA, which is a judicial executive assistant. They have to pay for a marshal. They have to pay for a law clerk, and they have to find a place to house these judges. The problem is there's a lot of judges that work their asses off, and there's a lot of judges that don't. Here's the situation. Let's get rid of the judges that don't work a 40-hour work week and keep the judges that do. And maybe by then, the workload will go down and we don't have to hire the same amount of judges. We don't have to get more judges because we'll have enough to suffice. The thing is, if you're an employer and your employee don't come to work, are you going to pay them? You're not. Here's the problem. The problem is that these judges have no oversight. There's nobody watching them. They make their own schedule, they do their own thing, and then you got District Court Judge Jerry Weiss is going to went before the Assembly Judiciary Committee asking for 18 more judges. Judge Weiss, the problem is you don't need 18 more judges. The problem is you need to tell these judges that we do have to get off their lazy ass and go to work. That's the problem. Until you do that, the workload is going to come and come and come and come and come. So, legislatures out there, if anybody see this, please pass it on to Carson City and let these legislatures know in the Judiciary Committee that we don't need more judges. What we need is non-lazy judges. There's too many lazy judges that's on the bench that are taking money from the taxpayers. Let's get rid of the lazy judges that take advantage of the taxpayers and don't work, and not put any more judges on the bench until we do that. This is Steve Sanson, president of Veterans in Politics International. I hope that you guys see this. God bless.